How are you, my brother? That encryption is called TLS handshake. TLS handshake, that is encryption. All websites now use it, like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, the famous website like also YouTube, Google, and now its man-in-the-middle attack is not useful like before. Before, that is very useful because there is encryption of a website is only HTTP, and then that's man-in-the-middle attack. You can take any password and any something, any word you will type and any password when you log in some website, if that's website HTTP, and then website make it update and secure, that be HTTPS, and that's also man-in-the-middle attack work with that. When a person requests some website HTTPS, man-in-the-middle attack, you can change that and make to be HTTP and to be the same website and take everything, password, username, for example from Facebook, like that. But right now there is no website not only rely in HTTPS, no, they rely in some encryption like that. That encryption, and that is the name of encryption. Okay, and if you see here, that encryption is look actually difficult like that. Okay, that example, that's not real encryption, but the example for now, when man-in-the-middle attack try to bypass HTTPS, doesn't work to bypass that's encryption, because that's encryption. You can understand and you bypass HTTPS. For actually what will happen in a website will not work never in HTTP, like Facebook, like that website will never work in HTTP. If you use HTTP, website will not work with you. The man-in-the-middle attack is useful and is very good for HTTP. For HTTPS also we can bypass that. Sometimes not work, yes, but we can bypass that. And is another videos that's explain of man-in-the-middle attack, and that's the second videos. And me, I'm Emperor X, and you must to be know that thing before watching man-in-the-middle attack. Okay, now what we will do something another in another material that will make any website. We will put it, for example, if we will type Google and you want a user when go in google.com, a user find another page, we will make it that page that will find another page. For example, now you request Google, and the next you request Google, a normal in Google open with you, but actually will not be Google, will open with you another website we put it, and that is another thing, not man-in-the-middle attack. And I will talking about putting another material for you understand. Now you understand man-in-the-middle attack work with what website. I will explain you man-in-the-middle attack in 2 or 3 tools different, and I will also let you file and explain you how we can make it bypass HTTPS and make it any website to be HTTP, not HTTPS. But that thing not all the time work. Man-in-the-middle attack is all the attack now and not work very good now. But also sometimes you need it and sometimes it's useful. And good luck.